Good morning, everyone. This is Andy from BH Investments. And really, what we try to do is to educate investors for HMOs. And as both of these can be both the social HMOs that everyone's interested in, as well as professional HMOs. One of the things that came up in discussion is how do you design your HMO? Because in order to fill your property, you need to make it very, very nice, like to a high spec. And either you have talent or you might not have talent. So one of the ideas is to go to Ikea. They will actually design your rooms, um, and it's very reasonable pricing. And they design everything if you even want to do a kitchen. But again, I would suggest you could do Howdens. It's a little bit, I like Howdens better. That's who we use. But that's one idea is to go to IKEA. You pay them, it's like 90 pounds or something like that to design a room, and you have 2 Zoom sessions with them. Or just another simple idea is do a Google search and look under images under basically, let me just show you. It's here. It's type in high-end HMOs and look at the furnishings, look how people do it, look at the walls, look at the carpet, and you can actually make your own property this way. So this is the tip of the day, how to design your high-end HMOs.